That's pretty good for a no wall.
Right?
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Very nice.
About 80 square inches of port per sub.
How much space do you have inch-wise from the back of the hatch? Have you measured it? From here to the back of the hatch.
I think it was like 7 inches.
Okay. So a little bit of room to breathe.
Yeah.
Wow. What are these subs rated at RMS-wise?
45.
45? Okay. So the 4-inch coil. Nice. It's really good.
These recones are about a month and a half old, so they're still really fresh and stiff.
Yep. Go look at the alternator. Yeah. Let me get a picture. Now, what's your name and what's in here, man?
Mike Corlett, man. I got 3 5-team V218s with Omega soft parts, 1 extra spider, so 6 spiders total. 2 Salt 6s,
Okay.
wired parallel series, so it's like 1.2 ohms. So each end probably seeing like 0.6, 0.7. With a C-Max 90, 2 390s under the hood, and that's pretty much it, man. I got a Dayton DSP, so this is all Bluetooth to the Dayton. There's no wires from that.
Okay.
So it works, man.
Is the amp strapped?
Yes.
Okay.
With Rode Ferrite 6.5, with a Sundown SFE 1000 and all 10 6.5s, and a 50.4 on the 8 to pound super tweeters.
Okay.
And that's the rundown, man. That's pretty much it.
All right. And have you done any kind of SPL tests on it?
It did like a 155.8.
Wow. Oh man.
At 42 hertz.
Okay.
With them really stiff suspension, they seem to like the higher frequencies as well. Not
Yeah. With the extra spider. Yes, sir. So how is this box? Is this a beauty panel over a box?
Yes.
It is. Okay.
Each sub sees about 5 1/4.
Okay.
So I really want to sell these and get the ruthless 8500s and put them in here because the subs don't move in the
Yeah. Got it. So you said, how big is the box?
It's 5.25 per
Okay.
sub.
Got it.
So
Okay.
5 1/4, a little bit small.
Okay, about 16 and a half, 17.
Yeah.
Okay, nice. And the box tuning, you said it like the 40s, but what do you think it's tuned to?
The tune is right at 33.
Okay, got it.
31.8 exactly.
Thank you, Mike. Nice to
appreciate
meet
it,
you.
man.
Done some work in here, man.
Absolutely, man.
You tried to stop the flex as much as you can.
Oh yeah, because when I had the Tahoe that you got demoing,
Uh-huh.
I ripped the whole roof. So before I
Yeah.
did anything, I put a wood roof in this.
Yeah.
I know it's ugly, but at least
It helps. Oh yeah, it helps. Come on, good picture. impressive. Just 1 amp.
No, it's 2 salt 6s.
Okay, it's impressive, but my gosh, dude.
2 salt 6s.
That's pretty good for a no wall.
Right?
You've done some work. Nice. Wow. At first I was like, there's no way it's only a single. Okay, that makes sense.
2 salt 6s and a C-Max 90 down here.
Okay.
It's 2 390s under the hood.
Okay, nice.
All
All right.